Alright, so we're going to be installing drift button today. Quick and easy little install. So first off, you get your boot here, and you just got to wiggle it off like this. Easier with two hands. I think we got it. One arm strong. Then we got this here. And we just got to bend these little clips out. Let that spring go on both sides, I'm guessing. Yeah. So I'll bend that out with a flathead screwdriver, and we'll be good. So yeah, as you can see, spring is pulled back all the way on both sides. Yeah. So you just get the boot and pull this up, pushing that out a little bit. Push that up. Get your boot on. I use two hands for this, so I'll be back in a sec. And the boot's on, and your drift button. See if you can get it on there. There we go. That's on, that's off. Ready for some mad skids. You do that, and it stays. Easy peasy. There you go. Just did the fuel filter, and now we're doing the coolant overflow bottle. So this is a stock one. Some guy's done a bit of a dodgy job. Doesn't look good. Looks ugly. Plastic is ugly. So I'm going to pull this whole thing out and replace it with a nice shiny aluminium one. So yeah, I'm just gonna take this one off. It's just a bolt here and a bolt under here. So yeah, just those two and it should come out. So yeah, that's the stock one out. Pulled it out there. Nice bit of clearance. Yeah, pretty sick. Alright, so yeah, that's the overflow bottle installed. I've just secured it there. Couldn't get an angle on this, so it mustn't be the right one, but it'll do the job anyway. So yeah, I've just got that there. Radiator cap coming into the radiator for overflow. I should probably put a hose clamp or something on that, I guess, but not top priority. Yeah, it's a little gauge dial to show you how much is in there, but it should all just come out pretty quick. I've got a pipe down there that shoots it out, so yeah, very nice, very clean, beautiful.